We're out here doing the Coast. All right, shout out to Makana Charters. We're out here on the water, as you can see. It's nice and beautiful. Water's clear. What's going on, everybody?
Look at that egg right there. Yo, super ono right here. Good morning, y'all. Starting off this Monday morning at the Waimea State Park lookout.
Say hi, hey, hey. Copy him. Copy him.
We're back down and we're about to get some shrimp at the shrimp station. I've been here before. Honestly, Giovanni still takes the cake, but it's close enough here. Alright guys, here is the garlic shrimp.
Where'd Malia go?
Yum.
And you got the what, hon?
Thai shrimp. Spicy, because I'm craving spicy food right now.
Sweet girl.
We have one more lihi. Hey.
There's
One
an
more
extra?
lihi.
Yeah, I think for turkey.
It looks like it's for you. Oh, there she is. Come back. Halika dito, Kevin.
Wait, is that long for that? Where's the second?
You guys better lick it.
Another. Did you
Cheers!
send it?
Lick the rim and drink.
Take the rim.
That's good, huh? Good. Yeah.
The next day.
Good
Right.
morning.
It's one day before the wedding.
Yay.
Tuesday. It's about 8 o'clock a.m.
And we are here on the east side of Kauai to do the Na Pali Coast tour. We're just here to check in before we head on the boat and go to the Na Pali Coast side. I'm excited because this is what I really wanted to do this whole trip.
I think it's the first time I've done this because I don't even remember ever doing it. So yeah, pretty excited too.
Yeah. We have our family over there. Say what's up, fam.
Oh no! Oh yeah,
It's time to head out. Everybody getting situated here. Look how clear that water is. There they are.
Oh my gosh! Did you see it? Oh yeah, yeah, to see! Ah! Dolphin!
So nice.
Oh my
What's going on, everybody? We're out here doing the Kalalau Coast. All right, shout out to Makana Charters. We're out here on the water, as you can see. It's nice and beautiful. Water's clear. What's going on, everybody? Yeah, I love this tour so far. I can't wait to see what's up next. Catch you then.
Alright guys, we're about to jump into the water. I'm ready. I'm ready. Let's go. You only
What
have
up?
You only have what?
37% left.
Isn't that a lot? That's so
You're welcome.
No!